Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, we're given a simply supported beam AD with a uniformly distributed load W, and we're asked to draw the shear and bending moment diagrams and find the maximum magnitude of the shear and the bending moment. So, looking at a free body diagram, we have three forces. We have the reaction force at support A, reaction at D, and resultant force from our uniform load. Right? So we can do two things. We can sum our moments about a point and set them equal to 0. So we'll take point A and sum the moments, setting them equal to 0. So we have from our resultant force a minus WL/2 force times a moment arm L/2. And we have from our reaction at D, reaction D times length L equal to 0. And if we solve that, we get reaction at D equal to WL/4. And if we sum forces in the vertical direction, setting them to 0, we have our reaction at A, the resultant force in the opposite direction, and our WL/4 at D. Setting those to 0, and we find our reaction at A is equal to reaction at D equals to WL/4. Okay, now we can draw our shear diagram V. So it's going to start out at WL/4, the value at point A. It's going to be a straight line until we start applying the uniform load. It's going to decrease linearly, and then it'll finish. Right? Okay, and we can use this to diagram of V and the areas in V to figure out the diagram of M. All right, so we have our triangles here. We know we have our points WL/4 minus WL/4. All right, so the area of this square here, WL²/16, the area of each of these triangles is going to be WL²/32. And so the area of the second triangle is negative since it's below the axis. And our last box also WL²/16. Okay, and we can use that to draw our bending moment. Right, so it's going to start out at linear. Right, it's the area under V, and then it's going to turn into a parabola while we're applying our uniform load. And the last section will be linear again. And so we'll have our maximum bending moment here at this point, and it will be 3WL²/32. Okay, so we'll get our maximum shear equal to WL/4, and our maximum moment equal to 3WL²/32.